Guys, I just made $22.07 while hiking up a freaking mountain, and I'm pumped about it. Let me tell you why. Did you think I was going to tell you I made like $1 million or something? All right, $22.07. Let me tell you why I'm so excited. First of all, still sore from the hike, should still be stretching. So my wife and I hiked up a 14er in Colorado. Do you know what this means, a 14er? If you don't, go Google it. You'll see. Let me show you some video. It was wild. While I was hiking that day, I made a total of $22.07. Here's why I'm excited about it. I did the math on that. That's actual passive income that was brought in from my website, and I'm going to explain that in detail and break it down for you in just a second. But here was the epiphany that I had. If I could just make X amount, so I used the number $50,000 per year to just pay my family's expenses and everything to kind of like to break even. Divided out per day, what was it, $1 and it's like $136 a day. That's it. When you look at it that way, it's not that crazy. So I only need like 6 or 7 times the amount of income that I made that day. I only need to 6 or 7x my business in order to be basically completely free, where I could actually go and hike every day and be able to pay my bills. That's the exciting thing. Now, here's the breakdown. So here's what happened. I had 2 affiliate sales to the company Step, which is banking for teens. I made $3.26 from an Etsy referral. I also had 2 new email subscribers. I made $8.81 from ads showing on my website to almost 800 website visitors that day. I also had almost 300 YouTube views as well as a new subscriber. Thanks. So it's not even just the cash, right? It's not even just the $22. It's also the groundwork, right? 2 new email subscriber, a YouTube subscriber, things that are laying the groundwork for future income in the future. So while it's not $1 million, it shows that it's totally doable to grow a passive income. So either next, watch this video on affiliate marketing, which is all about passive income if you're not familiar, or you can see this video that I made about the meaning of life, which I think is really cool too. Watch either one.